guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Antoinette. Thank you for coming in. Thank you. And before you leave, consider subscribing. So I don't know if we have any bird people in the house, but I am. I love birds. I have bird feeders. I have a hummingbird feeder, and then I have a regular bird feeder, which I always see like the cardinals come in there, the robins, and then another type of bird. Once I seen a blue jay come, but it never came back. So I'm figuring the food that I have, he didn't like the food. So he never came back to that feeder. So I got to find out the type of food that the blue jays like too, and all different types of birds, because I like to see all different types of birds. But I really, really love my hummingbirds. And they come every time. When it's time for them to come, they are there. They are there. So I picked this clock up. I want to show it to you guys. Let's see, can you see it? Yeah. So this is called the Singing Bird Clock. And I was in our local grocery store, and it was right at the counter. And I was like, wow, I got to get this clock, because my past boss, they had a clock like this. And every hour it'll sing. Yeah, so let me see. It's the Singing Bird Clock, Birds of North America. Light sensor deactivates bird songs when room is dark. So I'm going to open this up, guys, and share it with you guys, because I was going to open it and just put it up there on the wall, but I was like, oh no, I got to get up here and share this with my friends. So that's exactly what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to share this with you guys. So let's take it out. See what we got here. I'm super excited about this clock, guys. Yes, I am. Get some of that. So they kind of tell you where the birds are like from, because they got a northern cardinal. And guys, I found out something about the cardinals. Do you know the difference in a male and a female cardinal? I found that out. The male is gorgeous. The coat is gorgeous. That red and black and the like beige tang, it is so pretty. The female, not as pretty as the male. So that's how you could tell the difference. And I found out the reason why. It's because the male does that to attract the enemy. So guess what? He's protecting his female. Yes, and I thought that was so interesting, because if you look at and read about different birds, it's very interesting. And I'm not going to take all that long time with you guys. To show you all about the bird and where the bird from. But there go to the blue jay right there, and there go to cardinal. We have those birds here in Georgia. The Baltimore bird, I never seen this bird before. The American robin, I have seen the American robin. So a lot of these birds I never seen before. So let's I also got some batteries. I want to hear some of the sounds of it. What they have in here. Oh, this is, Birds of North America. So this just tell you a little bit. And this is the original 25th anniversary year. The original 25th year singing bird clock. It don't say anniversary here, but it does say 25th anniversary edition here. So, yeah, and so it have this different stuff to read up on. And I'm going to read, because I need to, this is the American robin. I need to learn about these birds. The northern mockingbird. I don't know if I ever seen a mockingbird before. There's the Blue Jay. Isn't they gorgeous? Them Blue Jay are gorgeous. The house wren. Oh, it's different ones in here. They beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I sit that to the side so when I have time, I read up on my birds. But here's my clock, guys. Look at that. Isn't they pretty? Isn't them birds pretty? Mm-hmm. And I just love to sit and watch my hummingbirds. And they are so funny. They so funny. So I got 2. I didn't realize that I needed another one. I got another battery. I thought I only needed 2. So here's the things to place the batteries in the back. I'm going to go ahead on and place these batteries and see what we have here. Wait a minute. Okay. And they take double A batteries. And I'm glad that's what this clock takes because that's what we have. We keep those type of batteries. Okay, let me put this down and make sure. Now I hope this one, because it say double A, but it's acting like it don't want to go in there. Let me look and see. Yeah. Yeah, it's saying a double A. So I guess it's just, it got to be forced. There it go. Wow, I don't want to break my clock. I just got it, guys. So I'm not going to set the time. I just want to see what music that is when it go, because every hour it plays a song, or well, not a song, but their tune. Okay, this. Oh, isn't that cute, guys? This is so cute. Let's see what I want. Oh wow. Oh wow, guys. Okay, I want to see what the Blue Jay does. Oh wow. That's the American Robin. Let's see what this. Guys, it's so cute. I can sit here with y'all and do this all day, but I know y'all don't have time. Yeah. Wow. I'm going to enjoy this. Hopefully it don't get on my husband's nerves, but I'm going to put it in the living room because I know he don't want to hear this. But I am going to enjoy it. Let's do one more bird. The house wren. It's kind of hard to do it with these nails. That's so cute to me. Only one is missing is the hummingbird. The only one that's missing. And you know, they so cute, the hummingbirds, and they so teeny. Let me see. Let's do one more, and then we're going to get off of here. Let's see. Let's do the very next one. Oh, wow. That's cool there, guys. Oh, my gosh. Guys, can we do just one more? Just one more, and I promise it's the last one. Oh, wow, guys. Okay, so the time here now is 10:24. So I'm going to go ahead on and set my clock. Yeah, my husband going to run me out. Because I'm going to enjoy every minute of this. Oh, he loud. Oh, that one sounds like it's whistling. But I'm confused at which one it is. I had it like between the morning dove. So maybe it was him that was doing that. Okay. Yes. Oh, yeah. This is so fun. But guys, I want to thank y'all so much for getting up here with me. And spending time with me. Y'all know I enjoy every minute of getting up here with you guys. And I had to let y'all get into the fun with me. I know we got to have some bird people out there. Maybe not everybody, but we got some. $10.25. So we're going to put it right here. Okay, right here. So this is what time it is here in my home. So I'm going to put it there. And I'm just going to enjoy every minute of this. So guys, thank you so much for getting up here with me and watching me unbox my clock that I am super excited about. Thank you. So don't forget to thumbs up this video, guys. You know, subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel. Thank you. Love you. And share me out, guys. A lot of times I forget to say that. But I thank you guys because a lot of people still share me out. And I see that. And I thank you guys so much. So share me out to everybody you know. Matter of fact, today, do something for me. Pick up that cell phone, because I know everybody got a cell phone, and call a friend or a family member and tell them about Internet at Fun. Tell them to come over here and just check me out. And if they like what they see, consider subscribing. Thank you, guys. So, enjoy your day. Enjoy your day. Don't let nothing or no one ruin your day. Bye for now. Bye.